Hi, welcome to the new episode of Coffee at Kayakal. Today we are having Shipra Jaiswal. She has undergone rhinoplasty surgery. She was having an accident in the year of
6 June 2020.
2020. She met with an accident where her naso-orbital ethmoidal complex was fractured. It was fixed by a neurosurgeon and ENT surgeon. She was having a depressed bridge of nose. The nose was tilted. The glabellar area was depressed. It was being fixed with the help of plate and screw. And with deformity, she was advised to wait for 1 year and then she came to me. So शिप्रा जी, आप का जो ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ था इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए कि हाउ डिड इट हैपन एंड व्हाट वाज योर जर्नी about your entire rhinoplasty. You have since undergone multiple surgeries.
Yeah. Okay, so actually it was around 5:16 in the morning, in the evening, to be very honest.
Okay.
And I was done with my office work, and I just thought to help my mom in her household chores.
Okay.
So I was just getting down from my terrace, and just all of a sudden I feel quite thirsty, and from the edge of my stairs, which was around 8 feet, as I felt thirsty, I drank some water, and as soon as I drank, I felt something
Blackout.
something blackout,
Yeah.
something strange in my
Okay.
body, and all of a sudden, just around 2 seconds after it, I was just blackout. It was I think it was a sunstroke, because it was quite a bright sunny day at that time, and I just fell down directly on the force of my face. At that time, as soon as I fell down, I was completely unconscious.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 minutes just हुआ था कि मेरी एक aunt, since I live with in a joint family.
Okay.
मेरी aunt ने मुझे देखा और she just came to me and she just pressed my nose, and at that time I just felt conscious.
Okay.
Yeah, I get back to consciousness, and like I was thinking at that time that I was like if I'm dreaming something or not, but after some seconds and minutes, जब मेरे relatives, मेरे uncles ने मुझे बोला कि अरे इसे उठाओ, just get her up, इसको bed पर लेटाओ, then I got to know no, it's real, I'm not dreaming.
Okay.
तो उस वक्त तो like मेरे uncles ने मुझे देखा था, they saw me and they were so scared, like उन्होंने बोला कि इसको इसका चेहरा मत दिखाना.
अच्छा.
Okay. उन्होंने बोला कि उसको उसका चेहरा मत दिखाना अभी, बिकॉज वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, उसको वो डिप्रेशन में जा सकती है, उसको शॉक लग सकता है, ट्रॉमेटाइज हो सकती है. तो उस वक्त इतना ज्यादा, इट वाज अ पैंडेमिक पीक एट दैट टाइम, पैंडेमिक का सीजन था, तो वी कॉल मेनी एम्बुलेंसेस, बट किसी भी एम्बुलेंस के पास टाइम नहीं था कि वो अर्जेंट बेसिस आए. तो फिर मेरे अंकल, मेरे जीजू है, वो प्राइवेट कार से मुझे लेकर गए ENT के पास. तो उन्होंने वहाँ पर आई हैड अराउंड 3 स्टिचेस एट दैट टाइम. तो जब मुझे स्टिच पड़ने के बाद फिर एटलीस्ट मुझे ब्लड की, जो खून की ब्लीडिंग हो रही थी, इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग की वजह से जो पूरा वॉमिट हो रहा था और सारा का सारा ब्लड निकल रहा था वॉमिट से, वो चीज़ बंद हो गई.
Okay.
देन आफ्टर सम डेज, जब जो इंजरी थी वो जब हील हो गई, तो डॉक्टर के पास जब मैं गई, तो 10-15 दिन के बाद तो डॉक्टर ने बोला कि हमें इनका इमीडिएट सर्जरी करना होगा, बिकॉज वो लाइक मसल्स एंड ऑल जो कड़े हो जाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद दे हैव टू ब्रेक इट. सो डॉक्टर्स वर नॉट रेडी टू टेक दैट रिस्क. दैट्स व्हाई उस वक्त वो कच्चा था, इट वाज रॉ, तो वो हो जाता जल्दी. तो इसीलिए उन्होंने जब सर्जरी किया, उस वक्त दे प्रॉमिस दैट मतलब मेरा नाक पहले जैसा हो जाएगा, इट वुड जस्ट गेट अप. बट ऐसा हुआ नहीं. मतलब नाक तो ठीक हो गया, हेल्थ इन फॉर्म्स ऑफ मेडिकेयर, इट वाज गुड. फिर नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ, कोई ऐसा कोई हेल्थ का कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं हुआ कि कुछ ऐसा वॉमिट हो या कुछ भी हो, कोई ऐसा पेन हो न्यूज में, कभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. लेकिन फेशियली आई वॉज नॉट हैप्पी बिकॉज सर ने जैसे उन डॉक्टर ने जैसे बोला था कि नाक इसका उठ जाएगा, हो जाएगा, ऑलमोस्ट 90% पहले जैसा हो जाएगा। उन्होंने एक्यूरेटली भी वेरी प्रिसाइज सर्जरी के टाइम में उन्होंने ऐसे ही बोला था कि तुम फोन में जैसे सेल्फी लोगी तो उस वक्त सेल्फी के टाइम में जैसे तुम पहले देखती थी अपना चेहरा वैसा नहीं रहेगा, बट 90% इट विल बी अराउंड। बट मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था। everyone in my relative, everyone of every friend, each of my friend, they were saying that your face is completely changed, your facial
क्या
completely
डिफॉर्मिटी
changed।
आपको दिख रहा था नोज में तब?
ये चीज पूरा डिप्रेस था, ये चीज
घुस गया था पूरा अंदर।
एग्जैक्टली ये चीज, और फॉरहेड का पोर्शन, द डिप्रेस पोर्शन वो पूरा घुसा हुआ था। इवन इफ द प्लेट वाज फिक्स्ड एंड ऑल, एवरीथिंग वाज फिक्स्ड, वो फिर भी घुसा हुआ था। देन आफ्टर 1 year, as the ENT surgeon told, we'll have to wait, irrespective of the condition, we'll have to wait 1 year for the next surgery or next any kind of treatment.
Okay.
तो 1 year हमने वेट किया। फिर after 1 year, I and my dad went to the doctor for the consultation, and at that time he told that हमने हमारा सारा काम कर दिया है, अब इन्हें अगर फेशियली पहले जैसा चाहिए तो she'll have to go for a cosmetic surgery. And since I had no experience regarding cosmetic surgery at all, so I just asked the ENT surgeon like, आप ही recommend करिए for any recommendation. Then he recommended Dr. V.S. Rathod.
Have a sip. Yeah. Okay.
For the cosmetic surgery at that time, since we had no experience, I was quite scared of it like क्या होगा, it's quite risky, like since childhood we have always listened about cosmetic surgery in case of celebrities or something like that, but normal people usually ऐसा करवाते नहीं है, हमने ऐसा शुरू से सुना था। तो like मुझे बहुत ही like I was feeling so awkward कि क्या होगा आगे जाकर, कैसा होगा, नहीं होगा। we had no experience, मेरे रिलेटिव्स में भी किन्हीं को कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था, they had no experience, और वो लोग मुझे बार बार like resist कर रहे थे कि तुम ऐसा करोगी, पहले काफी सारे कंसल्टेशंस ले लो। और सर एक्चुअली आउट ऑफ टाउन मेरे कोई रिलेटिव नहीं है, और आई हैड नो एक्सपीरियंस आउट ऑफ टाउन, मुझे कोई नॉलेज नहीं है, तो मैं आउट ऑफ टाउन कहाँ जाती, किनको लाइक प्रेफर करती, कोई ने प्रेफर भी नहीं किया था। तो ENT ने जो बोला, मैंने सोचा कि ENT सर तो अच्छे ही थे, एटलीस्ट मेडिकेयर के फॉर्म्स में तो मुझे कोई इशू नहीं हुआ, तो इसीलिए मैंने आई जस्ट went to his recommendation, I approached you, और अब तो आपने तो तुरंत ही बोल दिया कि हाँ ऐसा ऑप्शन है आपने जैसे दिया, तो आई वाज क्वाइट हैप्पी एट दैट टाइम, सेटिस्फाइड थी कि हाँ मेरी नाक पहले हो जाएगी, जस्ट होप अराइज, तो पहले जैसा हो जाएगा मेरा नोज। तो फिर मैं जब आपके पास आई, उसके बाद जब आपने सर्जरी का डेट दिया, सर्जरी के बाद तो सब कुछ एवरीथिंग वाज परफेक्ट। जब मैं निकली हूँ OT के बाहर, आई वाज सो like confident, I was so happy from inside, so satisfied, so contented कि मेरा नाक पहले जैसा हो गया सर। हाँ, बस उसके बाद नॉर्मली अब मुझे नहीं पता था कि हेल्थ में लाइक आई एम नॉट अ डॉक्टर पेशेंट, लाइक डॉक्टर स्टूडेंट तो नहीं हूँ, मेरा इतना हेल्थ केयर का इतना एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं है, अंदर क्या क्या है, कैसे कैसे क्या होता है।
I'll tell what since the entire bridge of nose was depressed along with the portion between your eyebrows.
Yeah,
this was entire
this
depressed.
Portion was entirely depressed.
So what I planned out to put in, I gave you two options, either by a coastal cartilage, that is a rib cartilage, and the other is by a silicone implant, L implant, because the L will elevate your tip as well as the columellar portion, and the implant will sit over here and it will bridge this gap.
Yeah.
So this is what I planned out. So the surgery was performed in the month of November, and unfortunately what happened, the upper part of the implant was sitting over the plate, so it slid down, it was not able to getting stick, so the implant get palpable, the tip was getting palpable here. So it has been seen that if we do not treat these types of implant, the implant may cause necrosis of the tip of the nose skins, and it will get extruded and it will form a scar, and that will be permanent. Then it cause a permanent problem and scarring to the nose. So I advised you, and took her for a second surgery, where what I did, I just trimmed out the upper part of implant and pulled up into the forehead and fixed it there. So it's like an hanging the implant with the forehead tissue. Now this is what the appearance you are having.
Yeah.
So how you are liking now?
I'm liking it more than the past one and of course the previous one, because this it seems like natural. It's not seeming like, it's not being like it's extraordinary or not. So
do you feel any problem, since people says that if foreign body has been put, there will be a problem, you will feel something, some reaction,
no,
this, that, any
till
pain?
Till now I'm not feeling any pain. It's like touch cool.
Okay.
I'm not feeling till now any kind of pain, but I'm just quite just 0.001% I'm concerned about the redness, which doctor said ki
It will settle down.
yeah, it will settle
It
down.
will 100% settle
Yeah.
down. As such, there is pain? Any
No,
pain?
no.
There is no pain.
There's no pain.
You feel any difficulty in breathing?
No, not
Nothing.
Nothing.
And what about the appearance? Because you were having your appearance before accident,
before the
and
accident.
now accident. So you are liking it, or is it
Of course,
matching?
I'm liking it. I'm liking it much than the previous one, because it was quite extraordinary, and everyone and my relatives and my parents, even and my siblings, they were telling that तुम्हारा नाक तो like बहुत ही sharp हो गया, just like a European one. So like it's not seeming like तुम हमारे family की हो, because you're looking like a Marwari or something Gujarati, you know. So I was quite like bit happy, but still right now, if I talk to anyone, they would never be able to understand that I had any kind of rhinoplasty and all.
Right,
Okay,
right.
they would just understand, हाँ उसका normal nose है.
Normal.
Oh, yeah.
And
It's
this
looking
nose-
like normal.
And this nose is sitting on your face also.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the previous one was quite big. Like वो बहुत ज़्यादा iconic हो रहा था. Like it was eye catching one. It was an eye catching one, of course.
So thank you, Shipra, for joining us at Coffee at Kayakal. So if anyone having a problem related to rhinoplasty, you can follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Kayakal, or you can follow me in my Facebook page. Till then, bye bye.
And please don't be scared, because my case was a rare one, which everyone would not face.
Thank you once again,
Thank
Shipra.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.